We themed our bedroom decor raspberry lemonade, honey, which inspired today's outfit. Do y'all see this? Gone, y'all.
To the woman I'm becoming, I see you, I honor you, I'm learning to trust.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. You guys, welcome back to another home decor vlog, y'all, and I am super excited because today we are doing the bedroom makeover, you guys, and I am excited because we have had this bed for over a year now, y'all. So we are updating our bed, we are updating the bedding, we are doing all of that in today's video. Now, if you are subscribed to my channel, then you know that we themed our bedroom decor raspberry lemonade, honey, which inspired today's outfit. Do y'all see this? Yes, ma'am. She is very, very cute. She is giving raspberry lemonade, y'all, and I love my outfit. It goes with today's video, honey. So yes, girl, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do the unboxing because we have a new bed. You guys, we have new furniture, a new bed. I'm super excited. But first we have to go ahead, take out the old bed, and then we're gonna remove all of the furniture and everything because the way the bed is set up, honey, we're gonna have to do some rearranging, okay? So it calls us for a whole bedroom makeover, you guys, and I am super excited to go ahead and just get into this because, honey, it is long waited. All right, so if you're new to my channel and you like this type of content, I do all sorts of lifestyle, home decor, and travel content. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, then make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hype up the video as well, you guys. Y'all know it helps me move around in the YouTube community. Okay, so honey, I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. Let's go ahead and get into this bedroom makeover video. So now that we have cleared out the bed, it is gone, y'all, and it is time to go ahead and do the unboxing of the new bed. So this bed is amazing, you guys. It is actually some Amazon furniture. We're gonna do a Amazon haul. Eider Furniture sent us over this amazing bed, you guys, and I cannot wait to get into the unboxing, assemble it, and then we're gonna do a full review. But before we do that, we have to get out these old nightstands and the rest of this furniture so that we can go ahead and start putting the bed in. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, you guys, so again, I want to say a huge thank you to Atar for sending over this multifunctional bed over to us, you guys. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that we can cut on the lights and change them. This is probably going to be my most favorite, that one and this one, because I love those. But yes, you guys, I love the fact that it has nightstand drawers on the side of it. Makes it very functional, and also drawers down at the bottom where you can store additional clothes and things like that. Always amazing to have extra storage in your bedroom, so why not go ahead and add it to the bed, y'all? So I love that. This is really nice. And again, I want to say thank you to Atar for sponsoring this part of today's video. Okay, you guys, now that we have put together this amazing bed, you guys, it is so comfortable. I mean, it looks so comfortable, girl. I haven't slept in it yet, okay? But it looks comfortable. I'm really excited to sleep in it tonight. Now it is time, okay, to go ahead and style the bedroom with raspberry lemonade. Remember the decor that I showed you guys in the last, the spring bedroom decor video? Y'all, it's time to go ahead and put it on there. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting the pillowcases and stuff on the bed as well, y'all. And then we are going to decorate this area. We are also gonna put back our wardrobers and things like that. But as you guys can see, something that we do not need anymore for our bedroom or nightstand. So we're actually gonna put them somewhere else in the home. You guys will see that in another style in our loft apartment video. So yeah, y'all, it looks really nice. I love this. Let's go ahead and cut the lights off. Yeah, so let's go ahead, finish decorating the bedroom, the bed, and then we're gonna put the rest of the furniture in here. Me to paradise.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Something different. Y'all, this raspberry lemonade bedding, it is so pretty, okay? Y'all, it is everything. And let's see what does it look like with the lights on. She is cute. Just to get back for that I had days full of you, before it winds down and the memories, it's all just memories now. When I come around, so proud fill you up, then I take you down. Why don't you guys, it is the next morning and I just finished adding the finishing touches on the bedroom makeover, you guys. And listen, I am obsessed, y'all. Listen, it's so pretty. Raspberry Lemonade did everything she was supposed to do, honey, to bring spring and romanticize our bedroom. We wanted to make it bright. We wanted it to be, you know, pretty. We wanted it soft and feminine. And I think we accomplished that, y'all. Now, usually, okay, I would say no makeover is complete without lighting a candle, but we're not going to light our cutesy candles yet, okay? I just kind of want to look at them a little bit on the side of the bed. And the bed, honey, listen, this is a go, y'all. We slept in it last night, and I'm going to tell you, y'all know our last bed, we had the, we had storage up under the last bed as well. And so, you know, it offers a little bit more support. But this bed here, I don't know if it's because it's new. I don't know if it's because it's a tar, honey, which again, thank you so much for sending this bed over to us. Last night, we slept amazing, you guys. And I also want to add this light right here along the side is perfect for that nice romantic lighting in your bedroom at night. Because, you know, you don't want the overhead light on, right? That's too bright. It's too much when you were trying to wind down for your night. So I feel like this bed is perfect. Y'all know I love a multifunctional thing. So the fact that it comes with lights, you can use those as night lights, and you can have any color on that you like, but y'all know I like a little bit something more subtle. Also the nightstand on it, which has a little storage drawer. You can, you know, store things and like that in there at night, your nighttime face cream, your lip chapstick and stuff like that. And one of those nightstands, you guys, does have a USB port and also sockets where you can plug up your phone, you know, plug up your chargers and things like that without the little piece that's attached to it. So love that. Yeah, y'all, and the fact that it has storage underneath, because that was a extra perk to us, because it was something that we were already utilizing, a bed with storage. So yeah, y'all, it's a go for me, okay? And the bedding, oh my God, you guys, the bedding is absolutely stunning. Definitely, again, don't be afraid to theme any room in your home. You can go with like a vintage theme. You can name it like Mona Lisa or whatever you choose to see fit, honey. But I chose to do a spring theme, Raspberry Lemonade, honey, and she really came to life. Like, she is absolutely beautiful, and the white bed definitely just accentuate all the colors because, yeah, she is tea. But anyway, you guys, that is going to be the end of, girl. Anyway, you guys, that is going to be the end of this bedroom makeover video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will be sure if I have a link for anything down in the description. I know that I'm going to have one for the bed with a coupon code also. So if this is something that you want to go pick up, definitely go check them out, y'all. They also have it in black as well. So depending on your vibe, whether if you want black, whether if you want white, they have both. So yes, honey, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like my content, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, honey, I will see you guys in the next home decor haul. Love y'all. Bye. Without you,